So what's up again guys, for today's video, we're gonna make a pizza, but in order to make a pizza, you need to have these ingredients. 2.5 all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup warm water. There you go. So without further ado, let's start making pizza. So the first step is you have to mix all the dry ingredients such as the all-purpose flour, the dry yeast, sugar, and the salt. After patiently waiting, you can now add and gradually add the water, but separate into two divisions. Then mix it up. Natin siya. So ngayon, mamasahin na natin siya dito. Yan. So guys, ayun, nag-double na siya. So kakaalis na natin siya dito after 30 minutes. So ayun, pwede na siya ulit masahin. So ayan guys, after we customize the shape that we want for our pizza, go ahead and poke it with fork.